Hi guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I wanted to show you how to find your missing work. So the first thing you need to do is go to Skyward, and to get to Skyward you have to go to your Launchpad, and then you'll see Skyward. If you're not sure how to get to your Launchpad, then you could go to the neisd.net and then click on Launchpad here, and it will ask you to log in. If your parents want to see your grades, then they could go to Skyward Family Access, but you, for yourself, you're going to go to Launchpad. And I'm already signed in, but it might ask you to sign in. And then you're going to have to scroll down to Skyward. Now your Skyward will look a lot different than my Skyward. So when you go into your Skyward, you're able to go check your grades, and you can click on missing assignments. And I just want to show you what my missing assignments titles will look like, what your assignment titles will look like, and how you can find the work on Google Classroom. So when you come in, you might be confused when you look at the titles, and you might not understand what it is that you're supposed to do. So let's say that you missed our penny drop lab, and that's 903, 904, but you don't know what to do and you don't know how to complete it. You just know you're missing the penny drop lab from either 903 or 904. So what you need to do is go to your Google Classroom and find the assignment with the same name. So we'll go to Google Classroom and make sure you know the date and what you're looking for. So we're going to look again. We're looking for 903, 904 penny drop lab. And so everything is dated on here. The most recent stuff on the top. So that was 903, 904. So we're going to have to scroll down. And so this is 903 because this is a B day. So if you are an A day, it would be 904. But let's make sure. Is that what we need? 903 penny drop lab. 903 penny drop lab. And it says recorded because I recorded myself doing instructions, so you know how to complete this on your own. So it says today we'll complete the penny lab. You're going to record your data and answer lab questions using the attached document, which is this right here. And so there's instructions of me showing you how to do this assignment, and everything you need to complete the assignment is attached right here. So make sure that you are going to your Skyward, checking the date and the name of the assignment, and coming back to Google Classroom to finish anything that you've missed. You should be checking your Skyward at least once a week to make sure that you're not missing anything, so you can stay up to date with your grades. So something more recent like our Winning Force Reading and Winning Force Vocab, these both have the same date, 9/15, 9/16, Force Vocab, Winning Force Reading. And so you would go to your Google Classroom to complete this, but it's going to be towards the top because these are more recent dates. So when you're looking for something with a more recent date, that'll be towards the top. So we're looking for 9/15, 9/16, reading and vocab. So let's make sure. So 9/15 or 9/16 vocab, 9/15, 9/16 reading. So these are on the same date, so these are going to be together in the same date on Google Classroom. And so right here, 9/16, because it's a B day, reading and vocab, and it says recorded because I recorded instructions on how to complete this. So once you get here, it will have the instructions telling you how to complete the assignment, and then it has everything you need here, except it mentions something about our digital notebook, and hopefully you remember already that our digital notebook will always be the first thing on top. Okay, so assignments that you're doing in your digital notebook, I'll direct you onto on the dated assignment, I'll direct you to go to your digital notebook and complete something. And so this is the only thing that won't be in the dated assignments in Google Classroom because the digital notebook will always be on top. So sometimes you'll be directed on these assignments to go to the digital notebook to slide 9 and complete something. Or you'll be instructed, like with the reading, to go to STEM Scopes and complete the reading. So this right here will tell you about the assignment and what to do and give you instructions, but it might sometimes tell you to go somewhere else like STEM Scopes or your digital notebook. If you're ever confused, then feel free to email me or comment on that assignment with your questions. My email and all of my information and my tutoring link is always in your digital notebook, just in case you forget how to contact me or how to schedule tutoring. If you just go to your digital notebook the first thing under classwork. Then we have our syllabus here, and you can click on the link right here, send me an email, or you can click here and schedule a tutoring appointment, okay? And then I can help you with your missing work, which I would like to do. If you have any questions, like I said, email or comments.